Oh, it certainly is, and that really is the story here. You know, driving up from Needham this morning, really no snow to speak of on the ground, certainly no snow on the ground here in Rockport. The story, as Kellyanne and Cindy were just talking about, is the strong wind. It's going to be the storm surge, the potential for coastal flooding. We're expecting high tide just before 5:30 this morning here in Rockport, and we're this morning live right now here at Bearskin Neck Beach, and you can see the ocean's looking really angry. The storm is moving out, but we're still really feeling it with these strong winds here this morning. So as I mentioned, the concern here is not so much the snow, because there really isn't any on the ground that accumulated. The concern is going to be the sustained strong winds and that high tide that we're expecting around 5:30, and the potential for minor coastal flooding as a result of that. Again, the winds, that really is the story right now. We're really feeling it. We'll keep you posted throughout the morning, but for now, we're live in Rockport. Todd Kiskiewicz, WCVB News Center 5.